Hello, my name is Billy and I'm here with my friend Logan. We're building a trampoline.
Today we're building a trampoline. We picked this trampoline up today. It was really cheap, and so I'm not expecting it to be the best.
We're gonna build it. We're gonna make it work.
Bob the Builder over here. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
About it though. It's pretty crazy. This is just a bunch of metal. And we're gonna make it into something. Let's get to work.
That is right. Alright, so we're basically just gonna set up a time lapse here of us. Set up a time lapse of us carrying everything and like setting it up, giving it a little bounce test.
Yeah, like manly stuff.
Yeah, manly stuff. Alright. Alright, so Billy's gonna be carrying all the big stuff, and I might just like grab like a pole here and there, you know, we'll see how it goes.
Let's come together.
Alright, I'm just gonna grab like 2 over here. And let's, oh, here we go.
Where do I go?
To the right.
Oh shit.
Don't hit anything. Okay. Got it? Alright, we're good. Alright, now here comes the hard part. We gotta jump over this giant ass mud pit right here.
Good thing I got my beaters on.
Oh god. Alright, so I'm thinking we set it up right in the middle of the yard.
Oh yeah, no, I was thinking that, but then again, like, you could always put it on the roof.
Yeah, I mean, that might be good too. We got a nice pool right here to jump into, so I don't know. Just go ahead and pop everything down here.
Alright, trip 2. Let's get it.
Trip 2.
I'm terrible at this. I don't know.
It's zoomed in too.
Nice.
So we're gonna start with the frame here. That's how you do trampolines. I don't know why we would start with anything else. But yeah, let's just set up in a circle, I'd say.
I mean, yeah. I mean, maybe a rectangle.
Maybe a triangle.
Octagon, maybe.
Alright. Continue the time lapse. Yeah, we got a little bit of an update now. We've got the frame on. It's looking pretty good, except for this one side. Yeah, let me bring you around. This little fucker is bent.
Oh, bent. Oh, we can't even put a spring in it. Oh, yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can. But
Put springs in, right?
that might be an issue, but you know, it's fine, right? We're just living. Now we're just gonna put the springs on, and yeah, we'll
See where it gets us.
start the time lapse again. Let's go. Alright, so the people that we bought this from, well, I did, they forgot a spring. There's no more springs in the box.
You're a fucking idiot.
Nice. Hey, make sure it's the right side up. Because it kind of looks upside down.
This mark
Go.
is upside down.
So Billy put it upside down. Now we're just gonna.
I even looked for it too. You can go back and I looked for like 10 minutes to figure this shit. Make sure to stay hydrated.
Gotta get this one. With that one. Did the thing break?
No.
Oh my god.
But it's bending. It's not good.
Oh no. You got it, Bill?
Bob the Builder.
You did it! Yo! That was graceful as fuck. Come on. Go. There you go. Gotta tell you, this lighting is amazing though. You can really see the veins in your neck popping. Don't pull that. You're gonna pull it out of the. Yeah. You want to trade?
Maybe.
Take a little break.
Oh, I just don't see how you pull these so naturally.
I don't know.
How hard, isn't it?
Hey, let's try. Let's try this. Maybe this will work. You got it from the middle. What the fuck?
That's, yeah. It's because the tool's broken.
It is broken. I see that now. How are we gonna do this for like 20 more springs?
We need to fix the tool.
I got this. Oh, I got one.
Nice. Oh wow. Come on, come on, come on. Bam. Got one more.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 more.
Fuck.
Oh boy.
Oh. Alright, so we got 20 more springs. 19.
Bro. This better be one bomb ass trampoline.
It looks like it, other than this one saggy spot, dude.
Yeah, I think that's the wind damage they said.
Just look at it. It's all sorts of bent.
How is this gonna work?
This is tough, not even gonna lie.
I was gonna say, nice and tight. Alright, ready?
What the? Logan!
Hold on. Take number two, Yeah, let's go!
We might need that.
Yeah, we might. But this is the Rampelstein.
The Rampelstein is
What should we name
complete.
it? How about Randy? Randy the Rampelstein? Randy the Rampelstein. Alright, take off all your garments. Here we go. It's really tight when you first start. Yeah. Oh dude, it's actually, I gotta back up. Get some good height on this. Yo, it's quiet too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Except for that. A little bit over there, it's bouncing.
Logan's first steps.
I'm actually so excited. This whole thing was $100.
$100.
Let's see what $100 can get you with the trampoline. Oh yeah. That is nice.
Oh, I'm happy.
Yo. Oh god. Yeah, you can get some good height on this. Oh my god. Oh, that's pretty light one. Oh shit. We found the spring. Oh! Wow, it was hiding. Let me show.
Last spring.
The last spring.
And then the trampoline's gonna be complete.
It was hiding in between this. Like, I could not see that.
Wow. It's a complete set.
It is.
Oh, I told you we need this tool.
Dean, here we go.
Another cinematic shot. Oh, come on.
Stick it in.
Come on, come on. There you go.
There we go, baby.
It is a complete trampoline now. We might need that later.
Oh, yeah, that was close.
I'm happy right now. You got a tramp!
I got a tramp! Alright, so we're probably gonna hit a few more flips on here. I think that's it. Alright, so thank y'all for watching. Again, my name is Logan.
This is Billy.
I'll see you guys later. Peace. Kind of fire.
Hey.
Kind of fire.
Kind of fire.
Yo.